There is a biased installment inside for the hole, which makes the steel ball not go back to the original spot. Now we put this little spring inside to the hole at the back of the steel ball, which is against the steel ball. Now the steel ball goes to the correct position. It is a bit difficult, so the steel ball has to be vertical. It is a different angle to shoot the video. Ensure the steel all goes inside vertically. Now we solve the problem. All done. See, it works well tilled.